Hello, yes, you are talking with the technician for today. I'm Kasper from Ejner Hessel in Kastrup. I have your car in for a 4 Plus service, or what we call an economic service, where we change the oil filter and the cabin air filter, which prevents pollen and dust and other nasty stuff from getting in the cabin, so you can breathe fresh air. I'll be underneath the car. We can of course check that everything works as it is. That means the suspension, where we can see you've got new lower control arms, you've got a new steering rack end knuckle, you have your what it comes stabilizer arms, we have your suspension assembly that also looks fine. Your brake disc and brake pads have recently been replaced, which is good. We know that's okay. Then we have your. I have noted one thing. Actually, it's two things, but we are gonna get to that. But in front, I've only noted one thing, and the one thing I've noted is the torque limiter on the engine, which prevents when you accelerate or decelerate that the engine can move, because it's bolted in this mount up here and this mount up behind this plastic cover. And what that does is that the engine can actually swing. This prevents that, but if it's beginning to get loose and cracky and the rubber bushing, then we have a problem. But if we move further back, we can see that your tires are quite a bit worn on the insides, so I would definitely recommend that you get those changed. But other than that, we have very fine suspension in the back. We have new springs and new rubber bushings at the top, also called the rubber stop, which helps with squeaking sounds from the back. We can also see it's got new brake lines installed recently, and the rear drums look very fine. There's nothing in that, and the handbrake also is very fine, no problems. The fuel lines also look very fine. Nothing in here, and there's no major rust on the car. That's what it is, but we have like rust here, but that doesn't do anything. Then we have your rear bushings on the back suspension, which are fine, but they can go wrong on this car, but they haven't. We of course fill your car with a new fresh engine oil and a new oil filter, and then we run it warm and check that everything works, and then we deliver the car to you, and then we can talk about if you want the offers we've made done, or if you want to do it somewhere else, or if you just think that it's not necessary. I would also recommend that you get your timing belt changed, because it's about time that it does, and it ensures you ride safe on the road, and we don't prevent engine damage. So I hope this helped. I hope you have a great day, and I hope we see you again.